We all know how important fine motor skills are for young children's development, but it can be tricky to find engaging fine motor challenges. Twinkl has it covered with our Fine Motor Skills product, providing motivating fine motor resources created in collaboration with occupational therapists. What are fine motor skills? Fine motor skills involve small muscles working with the brain and nervous system to control movements in areas such as the hands, fingers, and eyes. These are essential skills for things like eating, writing, manipulating objects, and getting dressed, all of which are vital at an early age to ensure children's confidence and independence as they continue to learn and grow. Divided into 7 key aspects, you can choose specific areas of fine motor skills to work on or cover the whole range. They are finger strength, gross motor, hand strength, hand-eye coordination, mark making, scissor skills, wrist strength. The easy-to-navigate Fine Motor Skills Hub has everything that you need in one place. Simply click on the aspect you want to work on and view all the handy resources you need, from adult guidance, warm-up cards, and detailed planning. Adult guidance. The adult guidance documents are a great starting point. We have adult guidance documents for each of the aspects shown on screen. They contain detailed information on the specific skills, useful terminology and definitions, a list of signs which indicate a child may need additional support, a variety of supporting activities, broader guidance on fine and gross motor skills, fine motor warm-up activities. Our warm-up activities are ideal for practicing the different aspects of fine motor development. Quick and easy activities that can be done almost anywhere. If it's well-planned activities you're looking for, then we have a selection of activity types that can be used flexibly in your setting. Continuous provision activities. Create fun and purposeful fine motor activities for children to explore independently with these continuous provision plans. A handy prompt card is provided to guide children on how to complete the activity. Adult-led activities. More focused for smaller groups, these adult-led activities include a more detailed plan and a warm-up activity that can be completed at the start of a session. They're editable too, meaning you can customize them to suit your requirements. Follow a topic? No problem. We have a lovely collection of fine motor skills resources that are themed to support some of the most popular topics and themes. Task boxes. These fine motor task boxes are such a versatile resource. Once made, they can be used during adult-led activities or for an intervention for those children who need a bit of extra practice targeting a specific skill. Scan this QR code to start exploring the hub today and see where your fine motor journey can take you. If you enjoyed this concept video, make sure to head over to our landing page. You'll find videos from fully qualified teachers about English, maths, and a whole range of foundation subjects. Twinkl Concepts. Concepts made clear.